Hi student. Today's lecture about growing up and growing old.
It is very interesting, ma'am. How we grow? Tell me, please.
A little baby is born. Everyone is happy. The mother lovingly takes care of baby and she baths the baby every day. She feeds to milk when it is hungry. She sings to a sleep with a lullabies and slowly the baby grow. It is became taller and its weight also increases. Understand how we grow? We grow from baby to so on small stages we grow.
When does a baby started teething and crawling?
As a baby grows up, it learns to crawl. Its teeth comes out one by one. Then it learns to stand and later to walk. All these while it gains to height and weight.
When baby recognize all things in surrounding.
The baby learns to recognize its mother. It learns to recognize other people's. It becomes to have other food. Mother feed the baby rice with milk and gradually it begins to speak. Whenever it is a boy or girl, nature does not difference between the two in their growth. When they becomes bigger, they are not babies any longer. A little boy becomes a boy and small girl becomes a small. Understand how recognize their surrounding when they growing up and slowly all things they recognize in their surroundings and they capture all things about their surroundings. Okay.
In which age kids start school?
At the age of 6, children start school and they keep growing in height until the age of 18. Okay?
How can a good health be maintained?
Until the 40 years of age, a person remains fit. There is a no gain in weight, but a weight keep increasing. A good habits and a good food helps to maintain a good health. We benefit from a regular exercise. Understand?
Which changes occurs after 40?
After 40 years of age, there are changes in our body. Gradually, eyesight become a weak, hair start turning gray. In old age, the body strength decreases further and hearing and memory becomes weak. A teeth begins to fall. We sleep less and develop various disorders. And one day death occurs after 40. Okay? Student, all you understand, a baby is born and how to slowly grows and at the last it death occurs. It is the phenomena about a growing up and growing old. Okay?
Means as human beings grow up and grow old, it similarly occurs with plants.
Just as a people change over a period of time, so do plants. When a seed germinates, a new plant is produced. For the sprout is grow, it must take a root in soil and also then does a seedlings that grow from the sprout flourish. Okay?
What is a seedling?
Seedling absorb water and some nutrient substance from the soil. The leaf begins to make a food and the plants begins to grow. It gives out a new leaves. It also begins to grow taller. Okay.
When does plants begins to flower?
At the proper stage its growth, the plants begins to flower, develop from flowers, and these fruits have seeds, and from those seeds a new plants grow.
Plants also die.
A tree must withstand the sun, wind, and rain all the time. It is attacked by the pests, and this makes the tree weaker. At last, the tree trunk breaks and the tree falls down. All plants die. Its causes are different. Okay, we recall this all lesson. There are certain stages of the growth and progress of body. A person continues to grow till the age of 18. After 40 years of age, a person have their old age, and the changes take place in plants with time just as they do in people. Animals or plant all comes to an end eventually. Starting from germination in a soil, there are definite stages in the growth of plants. Plants also grow in height and strength, and the plants becomes lastly end.